Looking for the perfect torque wrench? In this video, we'll count down the top 5 best torque wrenches to help you find the right tool for any job. Let's get started. Item number 5. Introducing the ARITER T Digital Torque Wrench. Built with durable chromium vanadium steel, it features a ratchet head that tightens both clockwise and counterclockwise. The bright LED light and beep alarm help you easily track torque application. Its clear backlit display, soft rubber-wrapped handle, and intuitive controls make adjustments simple. You can preset 6 target values, switch between 4 torque units, and quickly zero the display. Designed for precision and ease, it's the perfect tool for professional and home use. Item number 4. The Shai AWM Mini Digital Torque Wrench is designed for tight spaces, offering powerful features like torque setting, unit switching, and numerical storage. With a large backlit display, it provides precision with 2% accuracy clockwise and -2.5% counterclockwise. It supports 4 torque units and offers 3 measurement modes: live time, peak, and preset. The wrench can store up to 999 records and has an auto shutdown feature for energy efficiency. Ideal for automotive and machinery industries, it's built with durable chromium vanadium steel. Item number 3. The MoveCrab Digital Torque Wrench ensures precise and consistent torque measurements using a high-precision sensor system. With real-time measurements in Enber, InM, and Kilgri FCM, it guarantees accurate tightening for various applications. The large backlit LED display and audible visual alerts help prevent over-tightening. Its ergonomic design reduces hand strain, and durable chromium vanadium steel construction ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for automotive repairs and DIY projects, this wrench offers both accuracy and ease of use, making it perfect for professional workshops. Item number 2. Experience precision with the Goyojo Digital Torque Wrench, delivering 2% clockwise and 2.5% counterclockwise accuracy. Designed for automotive, bike, and DIY projects, it features innovative peak and trace modes for real-time feedback. Crafted from durable carbon steel, it combines strength with ergonomic comfort. A large backlit LCD ensures clear visibility, and its 10,000 cycle lifespan guarantees lasting performance. Backed by Goyojo's commitment to customer satisfaction, this torque wrench offers reliability and user-friendly design for every project. Item number 1. This mini digital torque wrench is expertly designed for tight spaces, featuring a short arm, large backlit display, and simple button controls. It offers -2% accuracy clockwise and +2.5% counterclockwise, with peak and track modes for real-time alerts. A 72-tooth ratchet with quick release ensures smooth operation. Sound and LED indicators show torque progress, and you can preset 10 different values. Supporting 4 measurement units, it automatically powers off after 5 minutes for efficient battery use. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel